This is my mommy. This is my daddy. And this is me.
May live aquarium. Si Dream. Pwede yata bumili dito na isda natin, di ba? Dang. Pwede kang bumili. Fish market na meron din sila pinibentang mga isda. Mga accessories na dito. 365. Pwede ba mga accessories rin, no?
10 dirhams lang isa.
Ayun, bibigay. Eh, ano to daddy, o? Tinan mo. Parang crabs. Lobster. Pwede rin ganyan ito.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we have good news and bad news. So first we're gonna start off with the bad news. So the bad news is the 2 fishes that we bought last time in Satwa. It actually died, sadly, because there was basically a insect thingy in the fish. After the fishes died, we saw an insect inside there, so which is actually very sad. So my parents bought new fishes, which is a guppy fish over here. It's 4 fishes. It's very cute, and we bought 4 of them. They bought 4 of them. And with that also, we also bought a plant for it, so it will have like more green and stuff in the aquarium, and it will not only have only pink and other stuff. And also, not only we bought this for colors and stuff, but it's also needed for the fishes to survive. And yeah, so it's like part of their environment basically. So guys, we're going to be right back, and we're going to now set up the thingy, and we're gonna set up the aquarium. And also comment down below, guys, tell us, how do we basically like take care of guppy fishes?
A few moments later.
Okay guys, so now we already set up the aquarium, so it looks like this. They're just like now roaming around their area there. So guys, now I'm going to ask you in the comment section down below, please tell us how to take care of a guppy fish, because our fishes keep on dying every time we buy a new one. So yeah, so tell us, and in the description box, in the comment section, how to take care of them, and like how many times do I have to feed them a day, or like stuff like that. So guys, should we remove this, because we don't know? Yeah, so comment down below also if we should remove this, if we should fix anything here. So comment down below that. Yeah, so also tell us on what else should we add inside, if you have any recommendations on what to put inside, so they will feel more comfortable in their new home. So guys, that is our new fishes. So make sure to like, subscribe, and comment. Make sure to comment down below, and like, subscribe, and comment, and goodbye, and stay safe everyone.